In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a digital marketing certificate from HubSpot. If you're looking to enhance your digital marketing skills and want a certification to back it up, HubSpot Academy is a fantastic place to start. Let's walk through the process step by step. First things first, you need to navigate to HubSpot Academy. You're going to start by opening your preferred web browser and entering HubSpot Academy into your search engine. Click on the link that appears in the search results, which directs you to the main page of HubSpot Academy. This is where your journey begins. Once you're on the HubSpot Academy's homepage, look for the Login or Sign Up button. You'll find this option at the top right corner of the page. If you already have a HubSpot account, you can log in directly. But if you're new, you'll need to create an account, and I recommend signing in with Google for a quick and seamless process. After logging in, you'll want to search for the digital marketing course. Use the search bar, which is typically at the top center, and simply type in digital marketing course with certification. Soon, a list of relevant courses should populate. Your next step is to locate and click on the digital marketing course that includes a certification option. Now that you have the course page open, your next move is enrolling. Look for the Enroll button. This usually stands out, so it shouldn't be too hard to find. Clicking this will officially enroll you into the course, allowing you access to all the modules and resources provided. It's worth noting that HubSpot's courses are designed to be both comprehensive and user-friendly, making learning an enjoyable experience. Completing all modules in the course is a critical step. This part will require your dedication, as you'll need to work through a range of topics covered in these modules. Fortunately for you, HubSpot courses are structured to be engaging and informative, packed with real-world applications that help solidify your learning. Once you've completed the coursework, the final hurdle is taking and passing the final exam. This exam will test your understanding of the material, but don't stress, with the knowledge you've gained, you should be well prepared. Finally, after successfully passing the exam, you'll have the opportunity to download your certificate. This is a significant step because not only can you download it for your personal records, but also sharing the certification on your LinkedIn or resume can greatly enhance your professional profile. And there you have it, your guide to earning a digital marketing certificate from HubSpot. Follow these steps and you'll be a certified digital marketing professional in no time. Happy learning!